Welcome to our comparison of two leading dash cams, the GKU Dash Cam and the Miden X5 4Ks. In today's video, we will dive deep into their features, performance metrics, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. The GKU Dash Cam offers a dual-channel system with 4K front recording, while the Miden X5 provides a triple-channel setup with comprehensive coverage. Let's see how they stack up against each other in various categories. When it comes to pricing, the GKU Dash Cam is priced at $89.99, while the Miden X5 offers a more budget-friendly option at $59.99. This significant price difference makes the Miden X5 an attractive choice for those looking for value without compromising on features. Let's see if the additional cost of the GKU Dash Cam justifies its features. The GKU Dash Cam features a dual-channel setup, providing front and rear coverage, whereas the Miden X5 excels with its triple-channel capability, capturing footage from the front, inside, and rear of the vehicle. This makes the Miden X5 a better option for those needing comprehensive monitoring, especially for rideshare drivers. In terms of night vision, the GKU Dash Cam utilizes WDR technology for enhanced low-light performance, while the Miden X5 boasts a SOI STAR-VIS-IMX 662 sensor, which significantly improves visibility in dark conditions. This advanced sensor gives the Miden X5 an edge for nighttime driving, ensuring clearer footage in low-light scenarios. In conclusion, both the GKU Dash Cam and Miden X5 offer valuable features for drivers looking to enhance their vehicle's security. The GKU Dash Cam provides excellent front clarity and a discreet design, while the Miden X5 offers superior value with its triple-channel recording and enhanced night vision. Depending on your needs, whether it's stealth or comprehensive coverage, either option could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.